Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just switching exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that makes transfers easy and secure, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Exmo and Kraken. You'll need some USDT in your Exmo wallet and the exact wallet address from Kraken. Start by logging into your Exmo account. Head over to the Wallets section and select your USDT balance. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Click that to begin. Next, choose the network for your transfer. USDT can be on networks like Tron or ERC20, so match it with what Kraken supports to avoid fees or failed transactions. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then paste the Kraken wallet address. Double-check this address, it's crucial. Add any required tags or memos if Kraken asks for them, then confirm the withdrawal. Exmo might ask for two-factor authentication here for security. Now, switch to Kraken. Log in and go to your deposit section. Select USDT and the same network you used on Exmo. Once the transfer is initiated, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using blockchain explorers like Etherscan if it's on Ethereum. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network to prevent losing funds, watch out for transaction fees, and never share your private keys. If you're unsure, start with a small amount to test. And remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so plan accordingly. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.